He was a great guy and I miss working with him. He never raised his voice with me though. 6. Last question in an interview for being a bank teller: if you could be any kind of fruit, what kind of fruit would you be and why? I said a mangosteen. Years later I asked him about that question. He said he just wanted to know what people would say. He said there were no wrong answers. 7. Other than the pay, 20k less, being less than what was originally offered to you, do you have any concerns about the job? I was offered the job and turned it down. They were surprised I didn't take on the opportunity. 8. What's your pet peeve? Told them it was people talking on their phones in public with the speaker on. Panel of 6 and 4 of them were guilty of it. I did not get the job.